Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete TikTok shop account. So in today's informative video I'm going to show you that. So just keep up with me. As you can see, if you still wish to proceed your deletion, you just need to head over to my account and go to my account settings, and close shop account. And your account will be deleted just because if the following criteria must be met, and those are this one. Let me tell you, all shop products will be deactivated, all orders have been processed or closed, and no orders have been placed in the past 90 days, all payments have been settled, all commission fees have been paid. All these criteria must be fulfilled, and then your TikTok shop account will be closed or deleted. Hope this information will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.